Yo, where your mama at, bro?
Oh, hell no, what the fuck?
Cold. She belongs to the street.
You're some bitch ass niggas. Bitch ass niggas. I'm not even real and y'all scared, bro. Yo, twin.
I'm not your twin, you ugly.
Bitch ass nigga. Where's your girl, bro?
I'm sorry.
Where's your girl?
Who's my girl?
You know I'm trying to finesse your bitch, bro.
You my girl.
The fuck up, bitch. Back the fuck up. I knock the fuck out you.
Damn, man.
You gay ass bitch, nigga.
Gay.
Tweaker. Yo, what that's Halloween, bro?
Yo, you got no. Where's a girl, bro? I'm trying to talk to a girl, bro. Like,
I don't have no girl, bro.
you a gay nigga. That's what you saying. You a gay nigga. That's what you
I
saying.
ain't, I
Yeah, you is, bro. You got no girl, bro. You gay, bro.
I'm like Jay. So I don't have a girl. Do you have a girl?
Don't ask me no
You
question.
have a girl?
That's how she gonna smoke me, bro. That's how she gonna smoke me. You heard me?
A little smoke.
Nah, that's how your girl gonna smoke my shit, you feel me? In her mouth.
A little smoke.
In her mouth.
A little smoke.
Smoking my shit, you feel me?
You
Yo.
ain't never seen a flame.
I know what you talking about, nigga. I know what you talking about, fool.
You ain't never seen that.
That's how your girl be smiling after she done suck my
Take
shit.
that mask off. You in Jamaica, my nigga? God damn, y'all niggas slut it out. It's safe. You see, these are the type of niggas I hold on. These are ass niggas. These are the type of niggas you just on.
Bro, that shit fake, nigga. That shit fake.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Well, I'm saying prime example. Loser and weirdos on this fucking.
Yo, you know what's the real thing about it, nigga? Yo, bitch is a loser, bro.
They forgot that I'm him.
Fuck up. Going to stupid ass
Look at
nigga.
what you doing right now.
Bitch, you should be looking to some girls, bro. I got bitches all the way, bro. Fuck nigga in the car with a nigga, bro. Bro, get your girl. Get your bitch in the side of the car, bro. You got a bitch ass nigga smoking weed, bitch ass fool. You got no bitches on the way, shit nigga. You got an empty car with a fuck ass nigga, bro.
What bitch do you have in Jamaica?
That's why your mom gonna suck my big black dick, bitch ass nigga. Your mom's stupid, bitch.
That's how you look.
That's how you look. That's how you look, you bitch ass niggas. Oh shit, you talking shit to me. Fuck up, bro. Your mama's a bum, bitch. Your daddy's a bum, bitch.
Don't breathe in that fucking mask, bitch.
Stupid ass boy.
That shit just smell like your breath. Bitch, you wanna take it off, bitch?
Bitch, my shit clean. That's why y'all mom stink, bitch. That's your girl don't even wanna suck your dick, nigga. Shut the fuck up, bro. Talking shit to you, folks. Your mama's a bitch. That's why I'm spitting in her mouth. Weak twin.
What the fuck?
Yeah, nigga, I'm gonna hit your mommy.
You know.
What I know? Fool.
You know EBT card not accept here.
Go back to the India.
Why you get all stuff?
Amibi yan kulli ammi gatti gatti ya.
Grab all stuff. No EBT work here.
Ready go fire you from your work. You got no money. Okay.
You no money.
You're no money. You're no money. You Indian trash.
You stay home.
You Indian trash. You got no money. You're broke.
You stay home.
You stay home. That's why you in the car. You got no gas
No
money.
money.
You got no gas
EBT card.
money.
No money. No drink. No
chocolate for you.
You're talking smack to me, bro.
If you don't have money,
If you don't have money, you go back on road.
no banjos.
What the fuck? Y'all gay ass niggas, man. Y'all gay.
You wearing a fucking mask on this app, bro. Like,
Nigga, y'all gay, bro. What y'all two niggas do it all shit in the bed? Get a bitch, nigga.
You stupid asshole.
You little bad, ho. You little bad, ho.
Like a bitch behind that mask.
He said, I'm gonna miss me on that mall. Go get Dago. Go get Dago. Two bitch ass niggas in bed without no shirt, bro. Look at these two bitches. Get a girl, fam. Get a girl, nigga. Get a girl, baby. What the fuck? Why would I take off? You're some bitch ass nigga. Go look a bitch. Take off her mask, bro. Bitch ass voice ass niggas, bro. Stop talking to me, fool. What?
Might be a bitch ass off, bro.
Yeah, bitch ass off, bro. That's like, yo, bitch, we saw her and she sleeping on my shit, nigga. Fool ass, boy. Shut up, boy. What you laughing at, nigga? Why you laughing, bro? Why you hiding? That's crazy, man.
Can you show your face?
I show my face, you show your face, bro.
Oh, you look cute.
Baby.
Take off your mask.
Yeah, no.
Take off your mask. I think you look scary more than that.
What's up?
What's up?
Can I see your face?
Can I see your mama?
Can I see your face?
Can I see your mama's mom? That's what I wanna see.
Your face.
I don't fuck with you, bro. You gay. You look gay, bro.
Can I see your face?
Bro, you a real gay ass bitch, nigga. Get off my shit, bro.
Hello?
Get off my shit. Skip, bro.
Can I see your face first?
Like shit out you, nigga. That's like, nigga, you uglier than me, bro.
The mask look a little different. I'll walk them.
Bro, if I take this mask off, that's how I'm gonna take your girl's drawers off, bro.
True, you're right, bro. You're black, not white. That's my bad.
Yeah, nigga. She gonna get fucked. And you don't want that, bro. Cause you not gonna get her back, nigga.
You're still annoying, bro. Don't talk to me.
I told you. You said that.
You got that mask on for a reason.
Shit up, nigga.
Don't skip. You
gonna choke on your fool, stupid ass nigga. Shit up, bro. Listen to your friend, fool.
It's always the
Listen to your friend, nigga. This nigga.
This is scary.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Bro, what is that? Gay, bro. What is niggas? Retards, bro. Y'all retards, man. See me?
What?
Y'all retards, bro. Well, why do you keep on saying that? I'm not from Jamaica. Why do you keep on saying that?
I'm from Jamaica, bro.
I'm not, fool.
You are not from Jamaica?
News. I don't know why you getting baby clock, like you. What's that?
Why the fuck are you in Jamaica?
Oh, not you
I see the
stupid
flag.
dick. That's not.
The flag says in Jamaica.
Oh, you can't read, fool. It says UK.
feel like it's
You
Jamaican.
stupid guy. Friend, can you just can't read? Like,
Tell me, fuck
it say UK, you stupid. Shut your mama, you goof.
Like a deceived ballsack.
Bro.
I'm not your bro.
What? Yeah, how did that make any sense?
How you gonna get your long face mommy?
What?
Ah,
Huh?
how you gonna get your long face mommy?
What?
Yeah.
What?
How you gonna get your long face mommy?
Huh?
Flat face mommy.
Huh?
What?
How you gonna get your long face mommy?
What? What are you saying? Huh? Are you still talking? What? Huh? Bro. I don't know what to tell you, bro. Where should I start? Yesterday, man. I went for a car ride. I was at the drive-thru for KFC.
Oh, you wanna hear that, nigga?
Huh?